With essential oils, you can use them a few different ways. You want to get, like when you are using an aromatic part of the plant, it's not just the sense of smell. You can put it in through the skin. You can, in some cases, even ingest it. In this case, we're not ingesting anything. We're just doing either you could do topically or through inhalation. And the delivery, as you go through each of these different methods of application, has different rates of absorption. So when you put it on the skin, you're getting it into the blood, you're getting it into the bloodstream. And so you're affecting your physiology. You might even affect some emotions. Eventually, you'll affect the mind. When you are doing inhalation, for one, when you are smelling the molecules, like when you smell the scent, those are actual pieces of the plant itself, the molecules that are going in and hitting your respiratory tract, landing in the tissue. And then as blood passes through, right, it integrates into your blood. So when you inhale something, you're able to get it into your bloodstream. And it's actually the highest rate of absorption, which is about like 70 to 80% just through inhalation. Then you also have the ability to direct the energy of the plant. So as you inhale, you can put your attention and awareness on different parts of your body, where if you were doing it topically, you would have to go, okay, I'm gonna put it on my wrist, my elbow, my armpit, my hand, my hips, my knees, my ankles, my feet. So you could do it that way, but here we're using our attention and our awareness to put it on these different areas where we're directing the energy of the plant. So the inhalation is bringing the molecules into your system, right? Not so much directable that way, but you can direct the energy of the plant, right? So as you inhale, you're doing your armpit and then your elbow, your wrist. And so you're basically beginning to work a particular pattern. And the reason why we focused on the just inhalation for the most part is the sense of smell. It has a direct impact on your neurology. Like it has a direct impact on your brain. It's one of the quickest ways to shift the ways of thinking or the ways of behaving, because it's tied to the sense of smell. So not just with essential oils, we're wired to change our behavior and change our thinking based on things that we smell in our environment. It's part of our neurological makeup. So here we're utilizing these different plants and inhaling them with specific intentions and guiding them through different parts of the body. But at the same time, because we're inhaling, you're beginning to shift your thought processes and eventually the behavior, which is us better aligning with the things that are in our chart by going through and working these processes. And so as we went through and put together each of the formulations, we went through and looked at like, okay, how does this particular type, for example, if you're a manifesting generator, how can we help this manifesting generator move into better alignment? And we tried to give you like a single oil choice, just in case you were scrambling around trying to pull something together. But as Robin said, there was kind of like a basic way of doing the blends. And then there's like the premium oils, which usually have a bigger impact on the psyche, on the brain, on the nervous system. So we used, everything we use is genuine oils, but we use like the fancier oils that have a bigger impact on the psyche. And so a lot of times these are used more for psychological healing or for spiritual practices. And so we use these combinations to help shift the alignment in the different types.